In this video we will work on the home screen and we will add the slider to our home screen where we will displaying the images from the restaurant owner, which the restaurant owner will upload the image of their foods, menus, etc. And we will work on the we will fetch the other details like name of restaurants, pictures of restaurant, and the location and the name, every and email. So now, first of all, what we have to do, we have to add one slider carousel. So for that, what we need to do, come here. First, let's change this. As you know, guys, if let me just sign in first. This was the user which we registered in our previous video. JJO, JJO, JJO. This was the email, and the password was 456. Now click on this login, and we will be our welcome here. As you can see, welcome, but instead of this welcome we want to display here the same name which the user JJO Jojo has been logged in this application. We want to display here Jojo. So for that, let's write here the fetch the name from the local storage, share preferences dot get string, and it is the name in our Firebase, and put here exclamation and comma. Also here click on it, add an check. Now hot reload. Now you will display the name of that. As you can see, Jojo, this is the person who is logged in this, so we are displaying this name. So quickly let's do another thing. So here now we have to remove this. We don't want this logout button here because we are providing here in our previous video logout. And as you know, guys, from the back side of this logout button, the code we have cut the code and we have pasted backside this logout here. So now not working this. If you click on it, it's not working. This will work. If you click on this, we will go logout from the application. Let's remove this button from here. So here, minimize, remove this center widget. So now inside this body, what we have to do, we have to put custom scroll view. This is the widget, and here silver, and then here we have to pass silver to box adapter, and here child padding, and padding edge insets dot all 0. Child will be size box, and the width. Now the here is very important question, important things, I mean. So as you know, we are displaying the image on the mobile screen here, and we don't know the user which size of screens mobile using. Some users are using small screens, some users are using like tablet, some users using the mobile big screens, small screens, very small screens. We don't know exactly. So according to the mobile screen, we have to write here media query for this, so that what will happen, so whatever the phone screen size will be, it will adjust accordingly automatically. It will not hide anything. If for example any user using a small phone, so our this images will be fit on the small screens. If the user using big screen, so this image will be displayed on these images will be fit on the same screen. I mean, our contents will be displayed according to the mobile screens. It calls responsive. So we are making here. So for that, what we have to do here, media query dot of context dot size dot width, and width will be 3% of the, just remove this from here, just only write width. So whatever width will be, it will adjust automatically according to mobile screen. Or just first remove this, first write height here. So we have to provide height automatically according to the mobile screen. So here we media query dot of context dot size dot height, and height will be according to mobile screen. It will say the multiple by 0.3. Now width also, width media query dot of context dot size dot width, like this. So width and height will be adjusted accordingly to the mobile screen, according to the mobile screen. Now here inside this size box we have to provide the now child, and child will be our carousel slider, and we will add the dependency of this. So come to the Google, go to the pub there and Google here, as you can see, and write here carousel, this one carousel slider, press enter. You will see the first one, click on it. Now installing, copy this dependency, come back to the Android Studio and open pub/specs.yml file, and here you will see all the dependency, this one. After this Google phone, just simply paste it here and click on pubget. Now as you can see, it has been added successfully. Close this file. So now for this our slider, we will add here slider. So for this slider we have to add some images, and I will provide you all these images in the resource or description, so you can download and use it. So now let's open our this folder where we are saving. You can download anywhere in your laptop, in your folder, and just go to your folder and download it. I will provide you. So I am opening my this folder, and I have this folder here, carousel, and inside this there is all these images which you are going to use inside this folder, carousel. So right click on it, copy, come back to Windows Studio, and here you will see this project, our project main project folder here, the top, this one. Right click on it and paste it here. Okay, now you will see we are here, and these are the images, and these are the name 1 2 3 4 5, because it's easy to use. It depends on you, you can give any name like burger, pizza, coffee, cold drink, Pepsi, so anything you want, but I am giving you this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's quickly to use, it's quickly to use. Now let's open this, not open this, just add this in the pub specs yml. Now open your pub specs yml file, and here you will see these are the assets. So here we have to open it, carousel, this one, and slash, make sure it's proper alignment like this in the second s, below the second s. So now click on forget, and as you can see it has been added successfully. Close this. So now we have added this our carousel folder, and now let's come here, and before this override, let's final and you can say items like this. And here we have to add our this all, so we will say carousel. We have first geo dot jpg. Now you can just copy paste this. Now let's like this, change these names, so it will be 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. You can check here how many images we have. We have 24, as you can see. So all 24 images we have added here, and put here semicolon after this. So now come here. So here we have to write items dot map, remove this, and here two curly brackets dot to list, and here inside this we have to write index, return builder and here put to build context and here two curly brackets, and here return a container. In this container we will display our slider images. So now, as you know, we have to cut it because we have to write it inside this carousel. So here just cut it from here to this, cut, and write here carousel slider, this one, and then here items, remove these two and write here items about this variable dot map. Just simply paste this back like this, and it's here. Now we have to give width, and width will be same like this. Copy this and paste it here, and height also like. Oh, there is no need of this, just remove this, and after this put semicolon. Just give margin edge insets dot symmetric horizontal 1.0 child padding edge insets dot all, it will be for child, and child will be image dot assets and remove this name and write here our variables items, sorry, not either index, this one, index fit box fit will cover, so that our image will be fit to the this size of container. This, now as you can see, there is error here because we have to pass some parameters inside this. So for saving time, come to the Google here, and if you click on this readme, click on this on slider this and come here, you will see these params. So just already we have added these items. Don't copy this, just copy from here, this one, this copy, just copy this piece of code from here to here. Don't copy this, this is for this. Copy it, come back to the Android Studio, and here after this tool list, paste it here. And here we don't want this on change. And make this from here 1, and then everything will be same. As you can see, error has gone. And click on this edge insert, add accounts modifier, this one also. Wherever you see these underlines, just now you can see we have added our slider, and inside this slider we are passing over this variable, these images items. So let's see it's working or not. So hot reload, as you can see it is working fine, excellent. Slider is going on. Even you can change the speeds also and accordingly to you from here, and the size of this, or if you give here 0.4, let's see what happens. As you can see, very small images you can give like this. So yeah guys, it's working fine. We will continue in the next video. Bye bye.